Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to embed HTML code to Webflow. This is incredibly useful when you want to add custom functionality or third-party widgets that aren't available through Webflow's standard elements. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to webflow.com. Once you're on the homepage, log in using your credentials. This will take you directly into your Webflow dashboard where all your projects are stored. Now, in your Webflow dashboard, you'll see all the sites you've created. Select the site where you want to embed your HTML code, then click on Open in Webflow. Alternatively, if you're starting fresh, you can create a new blank site to work with. Either way, this will launch the Webflow Designer, which is where all the visual editing happens. Once you're inside the Webflow Designer, look over to the upper left side of your screen. You'll see a sidebar with a plus icon. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. This opens up the Elements panel, which contains all the different components you can add to your page, from text boxes to images to custom code. In the search bar at the top of the Elements panel, type Code Embed. This will filter the options and show you the Code Embed element. Now, here's something important to note. In order to enable the Code Embed feature, you must first upgrade your Webflow account. If you're currently using the free trial account like I am, you won't be able to activate this feature just yet. However, I'll still walk you through the next steps so you know exactly what to do once you've upgraded. Once your account is upgraded and the Code Embed element is available, simply drag the Code Embed block onto your canvas. Position it wherever you want the HTML code to appear on your page. After you've placed it, a code editor field will pop up. This is where you'll enter or paste your HTML code. Take your time here to make sure the code is correct and properly formatted. Once you've added your code, click Save and Close. This will apply the custom HTML to your page, and you'll be able to see it rendered in the designer or when you preview your site. And that's it. You've successfully embedded HTML code into your Webflow site, giving you the flexibility to add custom elements and enhance your design beyond Webflow's default features. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.